Hey guys, you're watching Cool Minds-Neel Maniar and I am Neil. In this video, first of all, I'd like to announce something. So basically, I've started a Python projects series where I'll be covering certain projects which could help you learn the language more, polish up your skills if you have already started, and beef up your resume. So projects which I'll be covering would be easy once we start at a beginner level. Then it would get tougher and tougher as we move on from intermediate to advanced. There are a few prerequisites which I'd like to state before we start. First of all, is having a computer and an internet connection. Second would be having Python installed, as well as any code editor of your choice like VS Code, which I'll be using in this series, or PyCharma or whatever. And the third prerequisite, which is very necessary, is having some knowledge of the language Python. Um, this includes conditional statements, functions, loops, data types, and many more. So in this video, as this is the first video, I'll be showing you how to install Python and VS Code for both Mac and Windows. So, yeah, as we are starting out, we'll follow this and then more videos would be coming up. So, yeah, without wasting any more time, let's jump in to our computer screen. Alright, guys, so now I'm in my computer screen. I want you to go to the website python.org. Uh, when you're in, just go to this tab called Downloads. Okay, latest Python 3.11.4. Okay, so now I have Mac OS over here with me. So therefore, I'll download the Universal 64-bit installer. Right now, if you can see over here on top right, it has started downloading. Now if you have Windows, then you choose which type of operating system do you have. Most of the computers have a 64-bit system, but it's safer to check. If you have a 64-bit, then click over here and here the Windows installer. Alright, this should be done. Now let's go to Visual Studio Code. Go to the website code.visualstudiocode.com. All right. Now again, because I have Mac, it's showing download Mac Universal stable build. I'll just click on that. If you have Windows, it might be showing Windows. Okay, and this has started downloading as well. All right. So VS Code is a bit bigger as compared to Python, so it might take some time. Um, all right, done. So as you can see, uh, we have them downloaded and ready with us. So I'll just click on the installer. Okay. So all right. So now I'll open up the Python installer. All right. So now what we have to do is just click on continue, continue, continue. Okay. Now it'll give a prompt. Okay, for agreeing to the terms and conditions, which we'll do. And yep, it'll yeah, just click on install. That's it. Install. And for Mac, I think you require the password, which I'll do. Um, just a second. All right. So as you can see, it has started installing, and install time remaining less than a minute. Okay. So all right. we'll let it install. In the meantime, let's go. Okay, so it has uh, successfully installed in my computer. So over here you can see certain files: Python launcher, update shell profile, idle, and all this stuff. This is very important. Okay, and it is under the folder called Python 3.11. Okay, cool. So if you want to check whether you have successfully installed or not, just go to terminal or command prompt, okay, or command prompt in Windows. I'll just go to a new tab. All right. So over here, just type Python 3. In Mac, you require 3 because by default Python version 2 is installed. Okay, so Python 3 version hyphen version, just press enter, and it's showing 3.11.4, the exact version which we downloaded from the website. Pretty cool. So this shows that it is successfully installed. All right, so yeah, Python is done. Now let's open up the VS Code. uh or 1 second. Okay, you might see the file over here, the zip file. If you click on it, it will be unzipped and this program will come. Okay, you just have to click open. Okay, and all right, so I have VS Code installed already in my computer. That's why it's showing nothing. Okay, it's showing the newer, the recently opened up window. But if you have installed VS Code for the first time, you'll just get the home screen and all the steps on how to use VS Code and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty much it. That was from my side for the first video of the Python projects for beginners series. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. Please like it, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel as always, and yep, stay tuned for my next video on this series. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.